area there, I going there, I walk from here in the house, and I saw it mini goat, and I get some food also, and I give the goat and the horse, and I feel happy. I'm enjoy to give food to the goat, you know. So we the one help in ourselves to relax a lot of things, 500 things, 50 things, 100 things, 500 things, 1,000 things, a lot we can do what we doing every day. Too many to feel happy, not too lonely and sad. This one, what I'm saying is from for me. I'm just sharing to you and I listen to you what you're saying there. I see it. Because